Hi everyone, we've got some comments recently about how expensive my toolbox is. And so I thought maybe I'd just share a little bit with you what an automotive technician goes through in his career. So welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. So Snap-on is probably the highest brand of automotive tools and probably one of the most expensive. So sometimes I get criticized for having this box. But I have to tell you, I started out with a box that was from one of the hardware stores. And it worked out great. But if you look at these, what I have in these drawers, these are all wrenches and sockets. This ends up weighing a lot. So the inexpensive box, unfortunately for me, the ball bearings in the drawer only lasted about a month and then everything fell out. The metal wasn't as thick, it couldn't handle it. There's just tons of tools. So the box itself is not necessarily the biggest expense. I bought mine used, so that's how I saved a lot of money. But to be honest, after you've been in the business like 30 years like me, you probably do, when you start adding up all the stuff that's in the drawers, and it's not all Snap-on, by the way, I have probably about $100,000. Because besides all of these, this is my box with all of my basic tools for repair, things like pliers, screwdrivers, wrenches, torque wrenches. Then I have a smaller box that is my roll around so that I can work quickly on a car, and it's just real close. But if you look, there's still quite a bit of stuff in there as well. And then I have one more box that, sorry for the looks of the mess, I don't usually keep it this messy. But this is my diagnostic box. So it has things like scanners, it has my meters, all the test type equipment. It has all kinds of wires and hoses so I can hook up to test things. So there is a lot that goes into it, and it is a lot of investment for a technician. And so sometimes stuff is pretty expensive stuff, but sometimes I even make on my own little things that I've designed myself. So sorry if you feel like I'm overcharging you to try to buy expensive boxes, but that's not really the case. I'm really just trying to do the best job I can. So I hope this has been informational to you, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.